Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a site visit. I'll be showing you around this house, so let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Remember to like, share, and if you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe. So come along with me, guys. So this is the entry porch, guys. And in here you have a foyer. So this is the garage. So in here you have the laundry area. And this is the powder room. So let me take you to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. And over there we have the laundry. Sorry, not the laundry area, the dining area. Sorry. We also have a back porch. So you can come around and drink your coffee on the back porch. And it's open to above. So let me take you upstairs. It's so windy, guys. So that's the living area downstairs. This is the balcony. So look at the view from the balcony, guys. So this is bedroom number 1. And this is a closet space for bedroom number 1. So this is a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 share bathroom. So this is bedroom number 2. They have the closet space as well. So this is bedroom number 3. So this is a smaller bedroom. So it has its own bathroom. It's a small bathroom. So pretty much a shower. Nothing fancy, a shower. Face basin. Toilet. And this is the walk-in closet. So I don't know why they left the window out though. So let me take you to the master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom, guys. Master bathroom. On the initial plan, bedroom number 3 wasn't there, but the owner asked for some changes, so I ended up putting in a smaller bedroom around the back, thus making the master bathroom a bit smaller. So this is a balcony for the master bedroom, and again that view. So master bath over there, walk-in closet, master bedroom. Open to below, and this is just a small sitting area. So let me take you back downstairs. So this is the underground tank. Of course, you know in St. Elizabeth we have a water crisis, so you have to have a tank when building in St. Elizabeth and Manchester as well. So that's storage space, storage. So that's the back of the house, guys.